South Africa's former all-rounder cricketer Lance Klusener has arrived in the state on Saturday as the new cricket coach of Tripura. The members of the Tripura Cricket Association has warmly welcomed him at the MBB airport with a traditional risa and a bouquet of flowers.
South Africa's former all-rounder cricketer Lance Klusener was hired as the new cricket coach of Tripura. The new coach will train the state cricketers for 100 days in preparation for the coming cricket season. South Africa's cricketer Lance Klusener has arrived in the state on Saturday as the new cricket coach of Tripura. The members of the Tripura Cricket Association has warmly welcomed him at the MBB airport with a traditional risa and a bouquet of flowers. The new cricket coach Lance Klusener visited the MBB Stadium, indoor practice zone, gym center and clubhouse on Sunday. Similarly, he also went to visit the Narsingar Stadium. The new cricket coach Lance Klusener appreciated after looking all the facilities and equipments at the MBB Stadium.
Background.
Excellent. I like what I see. Nice outfield. One thing that's improved a lot for me in India since I first started coming here is the outfield. Outfields are amazing, and wicket looks good. Indoor facilities are beautiful as well. I think it's important as well because it rains a lot, so that's good. And players always look for excuses not to perform, and the good thing is that what's happening here is there's not many excuses for players not to perform, and that's the beauty of what's happening here in Tripura. So looking forward to my experience here.
Have you met the players?
No, I haven't. We'll get there. But for me, you know, that's not really the issue. The issue is cricket. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, whether you're in India or Australia or South Africa, everybody speaks one language, and that's cricket. So, you know, players all want to improve in different areas, and I'm here to help with that if I can.
When will you start your works?
Probably tomorrow. This is work for me as well. So I've started already. Speaking to you guys is work. But yeah, I mean, I've got 100 days here, so there's lots of time for me as director of cricket, not director, but as consultant. It's important that I observe and I see what's going on and help where I can. You know, I'm not here to take anybody's place as a coach or take anybody's place as anything else. I'm just here to observe and to help where I can, and to help coaches where I can as well. You know, not just players. If there's coaches that need some advice or some help, I'm here to help as well. I'm not here to take over any practice, any games or anything like that. I'm just here to observe and to help where I can.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The state cricketers will be trained for 100 days with the new cricket coach Lance Klusener, who himself is a former all-rounder cricketer of South Africa. With that, the state cricketers will get the opportunities to learn the international level of coaching. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.